Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and today we are here at Fleming Field in South St. Paul. We just showed up in Gramps, and today we're gonna go hop in the plane and head to the Indy 500. So it should be a kind of a different video for the channel today, but it should be a lot of fun. I've never been to the Indy 500. I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. So we're gonna head through the FBO here. Whoops. So as you notice, private airports are much different than like a public terminal. You can clearly just walk right out onto the taxiway. So we're gonna go over here. I'll introduce you to my dad later in this video, but he flew his plane out. We're flying to Indianapolis today, in case you didn't know that that's where the Indy 500 was. We got a nice Pilatus here. Met that guy yesterday. He's also from Washington. But here's my dad's plane over here. Just like I'm into cars, he's into planes, and this is his baby. This is an Epic LT. It's got a 11 or 1200 horse Pratt & Whitney on the front. It's a turbo prop. This is what we're gonna be taking to Indianapolis today. Cade's in here already. You excited, Cade?
Yeah.
All right, let's crawl up front. Let's meet the pilot. All right, we're in the cockpit. Introduce you to the pilot, my dad.
Amateur hour.
We got a couple stragglers back here. The dad's gonna be flying us to Indy this morning. We'll talk to you guys when we get there.
Guys.
Good, how are you?
Doing well.
Good. All right, go for it, Cade. Get all your snacks, bud?
Huh?
Get all your snacks?
No, I didn't. Oh, yeah, I did.
Out of the plane, yeah. All right, Dad, nice flight.
Hey, thanks. Thanks for tagging along. Cade got it here.
All right, we just landed in Indianapolis at the Metro Airport. Cade's here hopping off the plane. We're gonna go grab our Turo car Dad reserved. I'm super excited for the race. Should be something you guys would enjoy too. We'll try to get some of the racing on it tomorrow. Today's Saturday, the race is Sunday. Let's haul our stuff in here, Cade, and we'll go put it in the car and head to the hotel.
Yeah.
All right. We'll be back out to the plane tomorrow after the races to head home. Thank you. Dad, another great flight. Another great landing.
Right airport.
Always better.
Use the plane again.
Always better in that order.
Okay, there's a Honda Civic out here somewhere for us. Might
We just pick one.
pick one.
It's not that little salmon colored one out there. How are we all gonna fit in this thing? What is this? Sixt Rent-A-Car. You like rent an electric car or something? It's got like Volkswagen Beetle headlights. Never seen anything like that before. Think City. Wow. Alright. Let's go find our real car. Here it is. Looks like they picked it up at the dealer and dropped it off here. They're parking the plane for us. There it goes.
Yes.
Oh, it smells brand new.
Dave, look.
It is.
Look
It's
at
2021.
This. Dave, look at the
Wow. It's fancy.
Okay, who's got the GPS going to take us to lunch?
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess it's that. Yep, it's that one.
Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Fourth floor, we're at the very top.
Top, huh? Perfect.
Did you hit
Push
it?
it.
Better view.
Four. Oops. See? Close.
No,
That's the
that's
open
open.
Oh.
This is the closed one. We're gonna be here all night. Oh.
Which way do we go, Kate?
You guys that way. That's that way.
Yep.
I call dibs on this bed. You call dibs on this bed.
Oh, what?
I call dibs on the remote.
Well, guys, we made it. We had to swing by the track to check it out, check out the facilities. It's not open yet. The race day's tomorrow, but they had the two-person cars for the riders that you could, they had the two-person cars running around the tracks with the riders giving people rides. And tomorrow's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited to see the races tomorrow. As I mentioned earlier, we've never been to the Indy 500 before, so it's one of the things I've always wanted to do. So really excited about that. I'm glad Kate can join me. Should be a lot of fun. And if you want to check out some more videos, be sure to click on one of the boxes over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll definitely be posting another video about race day tomorrow. If you guys are enjoying these videos, be sure to If you guys are enjoying these videos, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll talk to you next time.